You join me this morning at Liverpool Airport, and more specifically I'm at drop-off zone 2 at Liverpool Airport. And drop-off zone 2, I quite like it because you get 20 minutes free and you can wait as well, so that's very good. And you have to follow not the yellow brick road but the red brick road to the terminal building. I can see it now, we're okay. It's about a 5-minute walk from the drop-off area to the building itself. If you're coming on public transport, the bus stops are right outside the building, right outside the door there, literally. And there are loads to the city centre. I'm looking at one, the 500 goes to the city centre. So yeah, loads of buses. We are improving your airport. Yes, so that's security done with. That was actually a lot more stressful than it needed to be. It took about 4 attempts for my boarding pass to scan, but there are people there to help you if that happens to you. Yeah, so you just need your boarding pass, take your watch off, take everything out of your pockets, take your jacket off and your jumper, and then you go through. And I got unfortunately stuck in the wrong lane. I chose the wrong queue. I don't know if that happens to you, but I always choose the wrong queue if there's a choice. So yeah, we went through. It was a full body scanners and I still got a frisk. So yeah. Yeah, and Liverpool at the moment, at the time of filming, which is the 6th of August 2025, they're operating with the newer liquid rules. That means that you're still limited to 100 millilitres of bottles, but you don't have to present your liquids or electronics separately. So yeah, I mean, obviously that's just for Liverpool. You have to check each airport individually. What a pain in the neck. So anyway, I've been instructed now by the screens to eat, shop and relax. And that sounds good to me, especially the eating. So I'll go and get a meal deal, I think. I was going to say that I prefer Liverpool Airport to Manchester, actually. I think Liverpool's smaller, it's easier to cope with, find your way around. The staff are nicer. The one thing about Liverpool Airport is it's really difficult actually to find a quiet corner. Now I have found quiet corners at Manchester Terminals 1 and 3, and I'm not going to tell you where it is because then it wouldn't be a quiet corner anymore. I thought I'd found one until somebody followed me, and then it's not the quiet corner anymore. So yeah, I've realised I've actually not told you where I'm going today. So I'm hopefully off to Porto in Portugal, and the plan is to do a few videos while I'm out there. I don't know how good they'll be, because you have to remember that this is my actual holiday that I'm going on now. So yeah, my flight was showing a delay. It seems to have resolved now, fingers crossed. So yeah, hopefully I'll make it to Porto by the end of the day.
is lost or falls into the seat structure, please inform the... Ser guardada no compartimento superior ou debaixo do assento à sua frente e não poderá bloquear a passagem no persianas das janelas abertas. Para sua segurança, recomendamos que mantenha o cinto apertado durante todo o voo.
welcome to Porto Airport then. Yeah, so that was not the most exciting flight in the world, but I must say that the approach was absolutely amazing. The view was so magnificent. Yeah, so I'm meeting my friend here who's flown in from an airport that's more convenient for her. I can see that her flight has landed. It's just a case of whether she was on it. So I'll meet her and then it's a case of getting the metro to the hotel.